To my channel. This is my first ever video. So in this video I'm actually going to be discussing why you should invest in 2021 with all the COVID-19 happening. Yeah, but before that happens, I'm just going to introduce myself. I'm old, currently in college, having a degree in psychology and criminology. I know that's nothing related to finance or investing, but I've actually learned investing through Google, YouTube, and other friends. I would just like to make a disclaimer that my videos are just my personal opinions and I am not a financial advisor. So please do your due diligence before you consume my videos. Well, investing is actually putting your money into an asset for the purpose of gaining a profit. So basically, you would risk some of your capital into an asset such as stocks or real estate. Those are the two main ones we're focusing on. But the first reason why you should invest is to build wealth. To purchase, to put a deposit in your first home, or to put a deposit in your first car or dream car. The second reason is financial security, because COVID-19 had taught us that your 9-to-5 job isn't always guaranteed. That's going to give you your income forever. So that's where you got to invest, so you can build your wealth and be financial independent and get security. Investing can help you with that, because you can actually build wealth. The next reason is to retire early /FIRE, which is financial independence, retire early. Some people just invest because they want to retire early, which is the age before 65. Okay, the first type of investment we're going to talk about is real estate. Real estate is like purchasing property, then renting it out to a tenant. That's basically it. Investment is called real estate, which is real estate investment trust, which is when a company purchases property instead of you purchasing the property yourself. This is you can purchase Reits. They're like stocks, and they have an obligation to pay 90% of their earnings to their shareholders. So the next investment is called stocks. Growth stocks are basically stocks that have above average performance. An example is Tesla stock. We can see that at the start of the year was trading around $109.44, and by the end of the year it went up, let me see, nearly 640%, which is 60 times your money. No, 6. Value stocks are basically stocks that are trading well below their financial performance. So they could be paying, or they could be having a good revenue across 10 years, but their share price is not showing that. So that's what value stocks. Those value stocks could include banks like Bank of America, JP Morgan. Dividend stocks are basically stocks that pay a dividend. So an example of this could be let me see, popular one is called, a popular dividend stock is called AT&T stock. So basically, if you buy 100 shares of this company, you'll get 208 in dividends per year. So people do not want to invest in 2021 because they think there might be another crash because of the COVID-19 still happening worldwide. More deaths in the UK, more cases in China. China had recently a lockdown. They fear that the market will crash even more and that it won't recover. But I can tell you that is just excuses. Dropped nearly 34%, but it just recovered. 14% return. If you would have invested at the high, you would have made 14% of your money. even better, if you invested at the low, you would have made 64%. That is crazy. So basically, even if the market crashes, it's just going to be recovering. And if it crashes, just buy the dip. Every crash is a buying opportunity. It will just recover. That's the nature of the market. A crash in 2021 because of the vaccine that's been coming out, the 95% effective by Pfizer, the 2-dose vaccine. That would make the business reopen, and the market crash will just continue to go up. So basically, I think this year's going to be a great year. The market's going to reopen. I mean, the businesses are going to reopen, which increase stock prices. The market will go up. So yeah. So the longer you wait, the less money you have. So if you wait to invest in 2022 when COVID-19's gone, you're just losing money because the market is just going to keep going up. Because, like I said, the nature of the market is going to go up even if there's a crash. So just buy the dips. They're an opportunity to buy. You guys are going to regret it if you don't invest now. Go up. The market's not going to crash. You can mark my word for that. You'll get FOMO. That's fear of missing out. So when the market goes up 20% next year, you'll be like, oh, I regret. He told me to invest, because the nature of the market goes up, does not come down. The market beats time in the market. Never time the market. You buy the dip, you buy high, and if it dips, you buy more. Then you average cost. So if you buy the S&P 500 at $300, it goes down to $350, it goes down to $250, you buy the dip. You scale up, you average down your cost. So don't be scared of the market if it goes down. So